Hello, friends. If you can learn 10 sentences, you can start speaking English today. Let's learn. Hey, you look new here. Are you new to this place? Yes, I am new here. I joined yesterday. That's great. Welcome. My name is Rahul. What is your name? Thank you. My name is Aman. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Aman. Where are you from? I am from Delhi. And you? I am from Indore. Do you like this place? Yes, I like it. People are very friendly. That's good to hear. What do you do? I am a student. I am learning English. That's awesome. I am learning English too. Really? That's great. We can practice together. Yes, of course, practice makes us better. How long have you been learning English? I started learning English 3 months ago. That's nice. Your English is good. Thank you. I practice every day. That's inspiring. I will practice daily too. We can help each other grow. Yes, this is the beginning of our friendship. I'm glad we met today. Me too. It was really nice talking to you. Let's practice English together every day. See you tomorrow. Take care. You too. Goodbye. Goodbye. Have a nice